So here I have my website's homepage. So all it really says here is welcome to my class and just a very brief description of what the page is and why I've created it. So if you scroll back up to the top, we have the four main tabs up here. So let's go to the first one, which is homework. So with this one, it just gives a brief description of what this tab's intentions are. And then there's a link here just that with an article that discusses the benefits of a parent helping their child with homework as it states in the paragraph, as well as a very quick YouTube video just for some ideas for a parent who's struggling to have their child complete their homework on time. So next we have journal requirements, which with my class, one of the main aspects that I like to focus on is journaling, which you guys will find out very soon. So basically with my class, I find it that it is very important to allow students to be able to freely write about anything that they want, with the only exceptions to that being, small bits and pieces here and there that I will ask them to include to their journals every day. Other than that, they can write about anything that they want. So I have down here the standards for the state of Indiana, some English standards that is, for the grades kindergarten through 5th grade. So that'll just open up a PDF for that. Then finally we have the schedule right here. So with this tab, it is just a schedule of things like quizzes, tests, and field trips that will be going on through the semester. So just some of the main points of the semester. So what I have here is just an embedded PowerPoint that will basically explain any, basic guidelines for any kind of volunteering that a parent may want to do, including volunteering for field trips, and just, like I said, the basic bits and pieces of the information you need to know to be able to do that. And that is the website. It's extremely simple. I will be adding on to it, here and there, but for now, I just try to make it super simple and user-friendly so that if you guys need any help with, what's going on with the school year, you can try and check this and see if it can help you out. Thanks for watching.